Contact Nature-Lite Africa Energy on the following numbers in Ghana: 057-229-1686, 057-229-1679, or call our accredited professionals nationwide for your clean energy solutions and installations. You can also reach our sub-regional offices throughout Africa. Western African Sub-Region, Nigeria, +234 81 34 74 3178 and +234 81 35 62 6709. Middle Eastern and Northern African Sub-Region, Ethiopia, +251 91 167 7772. Central African Sub-Region, DR Congo, +243 812 723 000. Southern Africa Sub-Region, South Africa, +27 829 287 665. You can reach out to any of our continental sub-zonal offices. Republic of Togo, +228 90 88 9586. Benin Republic, +229 97 21 9561. Cameroon, +237 672 219 075. Visit www.natureliteafricaenergy.com and get interactive on our social media handles on Facebook at Nature-Lite Africa Energy, Twitter at Nature-Lite Africa Energy, YouTube at Nature-Lite Africa Energy, and Instagram at Nature-Lite Africa Energy. Zonergy, Nature-Lite Africa, leading the clean energy revolution in Africa.